never understand why this happens to me. Whenever I decide that okay, I want to buy gold, the gold prices suddenly increase. And when I decide okay, I want to sell my gold, the gold prices drop.
I don't know what to do. मेरी किस्मत ही खराब है, मेरी किस्मत ही खराब है.
So I used to think that maybe it's my bad luck or something, but then I realized no, it's not my bad luck. The fluctuations in gold prices happens due to different reasons. Well, definitely it took me a lot of time to research everything and get to know what are the reasons that leads to fluctuations in gold prices. But don't worry, you won't have to do it because I'm here to help you out. Hello and welcome back. I'm Tanisha Sharma and today I am going to talk about 10 reasons behind gold price fluctuations. So without any delay, let's get started. Here are a few questions that came to my mind when I decided to understand the fluctuations in gold prices. And these questions were: first, does the gold prices increase when the economy is unstable? Second, can the government policies make the gold prices shoot up overnight? Third, does inflation actually push the gold prices or is it just a myth? And last, can we predict the gold prices to make better investments? Well, don't worry. As I said, I'll be telling you the answers of all these questions and also the 10 reasons behind the fluctuations in gold prices. So let's get started with the first reason, that is demand and supply. Like any commodity, gold prices follow basic supply and demand principles. When demand is high, prices rise. When supply increases, prices fall. Like for example, in March 2020 during the COVID-19 crisis, uncertainty led to huge demand for gold, pushing the gold prices to 5,600 per gram in August 2020. That was a record high at that time. So demand and supply is one of the reasons for fluctuations in the gold prices. Now let's move on to the second reason. Second reason is central bank reserve. So the governments and central banks hold gold as their reserve. So when the government and central banks buy more, the price rises, and when they sell it, the prices drop. For example, in 2022, central banks globally bought 1,136 tons of gold, including the Reserve Bank of India's 77.5 tons, leading to an upward price trend. Now let's move to the third reason, third factor, inflation and currency value. Gold is hedge against inflation. So when the inflation rises, people invest in gold to secure their money or save their money. That results in driving the prices up. Now let me also give you an example here. In 2022, India saw high inflation, leading to a surge in gold prices, crossing 5,700 rupees per gram in early 2023. Now, factor number 4, interest rate and bond yields. So when the interest rates increase or rise, because people prefer assets that are interest earning, like bonds. But when the rates drop, the gold prices increase as gold becomes more attractive for people. Like in 2023, when the RBI raised the interest rate, gold prices dropped from 5,700 per gram to 5,200 per gram as investors moved to fixed income assets. Now, factor number 5, geopolitical events and crisis. As we all know, there are various geopolitical crises that happens all over the world. Sometimes wars break out in different countries, between different countries. There are political instability or global crisis that actually leads to increase in gold prices because the investors seek safety by purchasing gold. And that's the reason the gold prices increase. Like in the February 2022, when Russia invaded Ukraine, gold prices in India surged 10% in just a week, crossing 5,400 per gram. Now, factor number 6, taxation and government policies. Changes in import duties, taxes, and regulations directly affect the gold prices. In July 2022, the Indian government increased import duty on gold from 7.5% to 12.5%, causing domestic gold prices to rise by 300 rupees per gram overnight. Now, factor number 7, Indian rupee versus US dollar. Gold and the Indian rupee have an inverse relationship. So when the Indian rupee weakens against the dollar, the gold becomes more expensive in India. Like for example, in 2023 when the rupee depreciated from 74 rupees to 83 rupees per US dollar, gold prices jumped from 5,100 rupees per gram to 5,800 rupees per gram. Factor number 8, mining production and supply chain issues. So if the mining output of gold drops, the supply lightens, pushing the gold prices up. Disruptions like labor strikes and supply chain issues can also impact prices. Like for example, in 2019, mining disruptions in South Africa reduced global gold supply, contributing to higher gold prices in India, crossing 4,800 rupees per gram. Now, factor number 9, gold as an investment asset. So the exchange trade funds are the institutional investors, affecting gold prices based on buying and selling activities. For example, in 2020, record inflows into gold ETFs in India pushed prices to a historic 5,600 rupees per gram during the pandemic. Now, the last reason or factor I would say behind the fluctuations in gold prices: digital gold and retail demand. Gold demand also comes from retail jewelry buyers and the rise of digital gold investments. Like for example, in India, Diwali or festival seasons or times increase the demand for gold, making the price surge every year in October and November. Because in India, during festivals, everyone wants to buy gold. So in 2023, during the Diwali time, the gold prices reached 6,000 rupees per gram due to the strong retail buying by people in India. So these were the 10 reasons or factors due to which the fluctuation takes place in the gold prices. So I think now you know that the gold prices don't just randomly go up or fall down. There are various reasons behind the change in prices of gold. They are influenced by supply and demand, central banks, inflation, interest rates, crisis, policies, the rupee-dollar exchange rate, mining output, investor behavior and retail demand. So I think this is it for today. To learn more about such information and to be financially stable, download Bosswala app now. Bosswala helps you learn practical strategies and frameworks directly from successful business owners through video courses and one-on-one video calls. Not just that, Bosswala provides you with the tool and resources required to start, operate and grow your business. I hope you liked this video. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time with such insights and information. So see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.